I think if give me a chance, I will also do it. But do it at my pace.
So a BDS to MBBS bridge course has been recently recommended by the Dental Council of India. It allows the graduates of dental sciences to practice in the role of general physicians in organizations, hospitals, clinics, etc. What is your take on this?
Oh, I love this. In fact, I would say that not the dentists who are desperate to do MBBS should do it. Every dentist should do it.
Oh.
Yeah. See, understand, when you are treating a mouth, it is so much related to your body.
Right.
Which is unfortunately a missed point, right? So there's this case which comes in and you see a huge gingival swelling and you see a lot of like that swelling is not normal. You think it's gingival related, but when you see the hygiene is quite good enough, and then you just tell the patient, have you checked your BP in the last some time, because and it has a correlation to your heart, and that patient is like thankful to us, saying that, oh, I didn't know this. There's this patient who walks in and she says that my mouth is dry, and I have the dryness in my mouth, and this is not going in, that is not going on. There are certain patches and you don't know what it is, and you are like, okay, chalo, theek hai. It could be lichen planus, or it could be locoplakia, or it can be OSMM, and you are confused. There are 3 alag ways to diagnose. You take up the biopsy and you check. Now the patient has lichen planus.
Right.
So lichen planus is not a body mouth. How do you diagnose it? You ask the patient, do you have there is any patches which is coming in your, say, armpits, genitals, peripherals, are they going on hand and coming back, or your back, there's a patch that is white patches coming and then going off. You're like, I'm getting this. Yeah. But if you don't know that this happens, how would you guide the patient?
Right.
There are lots of patients who come with a problem that is medical, but it has, the major part is treatment is dental, like neck pains, constant neck pains, TMD. You get up with a pain, occlusion. There's so much correlation of occlusion to the neck and shoulder pain, you won't believe. And there are crazy studies going on that subject. It is the most favorite right now. But what I'm trying to say is, this bridge course is going to help every single dentist actually diagnose better.
Right.
So I think everybody should do it. I think if give me a chance, I will also do it. But do it at my pace. So I think you should. If it's a good course, it's teaching you the implications. Yeah. So we should do it. Yes, that's correct. But a lot of backlash is there from the practicing general practitioners, or that why should BDS be given that opportunity to do that. But you have to understand that even a BDS has learned general medicine. Right. They have learned pharmacology in depth. They have learned general surgery in quite a lot of in a good quantity in their practice. So I think they will make up a very good practitioners. So I think if that course is coming in, there should not be any backlash from anywhere. Right. We are a huge population and lesser doctors. We need more doctors. We really do, in every field.
Right.